Hey guys, we're back at the Cobb Barndominium for our Cobb flooring part 2, and I'll show you what I did since yesterday and what I'm thinking about doing next. So let's step back here. I brought all the material in from outside. There's all the material right there, like 5 small tractor buckets full. And it was dry, and I tamped it just like I did with all the other ones. And I just got done spraying all of that down. This is the one that had all the tamping done prior to my video yesterday. And I have since put down a layer of lime and sprayed everything down. Well, I used a kitchen broom to move the lime around to the areas that didn't get as easily covered, and then sprayed everything down. And I'm going to wait until this is dry, and I might put lime on top of it again depending on the surface, and I'll at least tamp it one more time. And the reason I got it wet after putting the lime on there is I kind of like it to soak into that top layer, make it really hard. So let's move over here. What we are starting right now on this full section, because it has already been tamped twice and wet down, I'm starting to put the lime down. This is the Mason's Hydrate lime I was talking about in the last video. It's not very hard. You can see there's some splotchy patches. I will move all that around and spray this down, and just, that's all I'm using here. Just a little cup. I kind of give it a shake, and this is what I'm using: high calcium hydrated lime. So in our next video, I'll have at least these 3 areas completely done, and I need to shift everything around to level out the middle of the building, and then I'll be able to try to assess the level of the whole building and which levels should have more material on them based upon the level I have right now. So this was just kind of a preliminary. I think the kitchen, which will be over there, and the bathroom, which we're actually standing in, those are probably going to get more material on them, and I might try to use some kind of form, because I will block that in by a cob wall, and that way you'll step up into the bathroom and step from the kitchen, which will kind of be a middle level, into the living room. So we'll show how I intend on doing it next time. So thank you very much. Hope this was helpful. See you all at step 3. Have a good day.